What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have something pretty cool, super unique. I was looking for something different to do that wasn't just run-of-the-mill stuff. So here on the right I have my iPhone 11 Pro, just the regular version, not the Max. And then here on the left, this is a Nokia 3310, one of those newer styles. So you can see, you know, the size difference of the two. Then I found this on Amazon. This is the world's smallest Bluetooth phone, according to the people who make it. So here it is, and I've already looked at it a little bit. I haven't really opened it and actually messed around with the phone, but I wanted to do a video on this because I thought it was pretty cool. So let's get into this. So this has a very unique, super weird packaging. It's like a fake like purse material, almost like a leather, and it's hard to get out of here. Kind of have to come from an angle. I'm gonna use my knife to like grab underneath and kind of pry it. There we go. All right, so this is actually a flip phone, which is crazy. So here it is right on top. We'll take it out first, put it down, and then underneath this plastic piece you have a lanyard, because it's so small that it can go on a lanyard, and a micro USB charging port. I wouldn't expect that to be Type-C, but just so you know. And then a packet of info, nothing else. So basically telling you information on how to use it, how to charge it, where to put in your SIM card and things like that. So it's actually really unique because the SIM card goes in right on the top up here, so like on the outside of the shell of the phone. The way that you actually pull this open to open the clamshell style phone is this little sort of like a knob there, and that's where the charging port is too. It's right in the top there, which is crazy. So here's what it actually looks like. This is a real working phone, as far as it says. So there's a speaker on the bottom, there's a reset button, you can see the number pad here. It has what you would need: direction arrows, talk, and the number pad, which kind of goes weird. It's 1 through 4, and then 5 through 8, and then 9, 0 on the bottom, and then star and pound. We're gonna turn this on and see what we can do with it. I'm actually gonna use that knife again, just so I can like pinpoint, perfectly turn it on. And I have a SIM tool to take out of my phone, so you can see how small the screen is there. There's a time. We'll just say that it's fine. Making funny sound effects. We'll hit go, I guess. Insert SIM. So you can see there is battery indicator. It'll be hard to focus, it's just so little. Here, let me try to. Battery indicator, insert SIM. It has the date. I just put whatever because I just wanted to get through, and then it shows up there that there's no service. So give me a second here, and I'm gonna actually put in my SIM card. Hopefully this isn't a bad idea, and we'll see what we got here. So I have to have a converter right here, because it is not nano SIM, it is micro SIM, and most phones now have nano. So I'm going to put my SIM card in that converter, and then put that in the phone, and then we'll just call like a standard, like a helpline type of phone number, or we'll call for the time or something like that for like an operator. So take this, looks like put it in that direction. Okay, it is spring loaded. So I pushed it in and it is ready to go. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, it still says unlock. Still doesn't look like there's any service yet, which is a bummer. Let's see if we can find out See how much farther I can get in on that. Let's see if we can find out in here what exactly I need to do. Maybe I need to start it, restart the phone. Yeah, I mean, I put it in the right direction, so let's see. Yeah, and it's still not recognizing it. So let's turn it back off. I can do this with my finger. It's not impossible. I just didn't want to. I just wanted it to be more accurate. And the off button's not doing anything. Maybe this reset button here will. Oh, it's the little pinpoint hole. Press it and see what happens there. It was just a single click. It wasn't anything else. Now I can't get it to turn on. I'm gonna press and hold down that reset and see what happens. There's a little rubber like stop next to this reset right there to like keep the screen from getting scratched because it's 100% plastic for sure. Try to turn this on again. Okay, I got it back on. Let's see if my SIM works now. It does. So you can see now it says T-Mobile on there. That is insane. I can't wait to make a call on this and see what it sounds like. So here's an indication of the size difference. We're talking about something that would go on your keychain, legitimately would go on your keychain. This is easily pocketable. There is a little plastic, but it is there, a little loop up at the top that you could put that on. It comes with a lanyard to do that. So let's make a call and see what happens. It has my service name on there. Now it doesn't say T-Mobile, but there is service. So let's see. Let me try this. So now it was, when I press buttons, it is not doing anything, but it did it on one of the buttons. It does it on 9. Interesting. They press and they make a sound, but they're not making a call. Oh, it's locked. Oh, the phone actually has a lock on it. Okay, so now let's try. There we go. It actually beeps in the ear set, like I can hear it. All right, let's call and see what happens. I'm legitimately gonna put it up to my ear. It's ringing like a phone would. Yeah, it works. That is crazy. Releasing, call ended, and you can see my service on there. So if I were to turn it to where the screen like shuts off, actually maybe I just shut it. And then let me see if I open it again what it looks like. No, it's still unlocked. So let's see what else you can do. You can have an address book, you can write messages, you can, let's see, there's call settings, an FM radio, music function for Bluetooth, an alarm, magic voice, so you can change the way your voice sounds. I want to see about sending a message. Press the left key into selections. Okay, so it's locked again, so you gotta press, what does it want me to press to start the unlock? Okay, whatever I press worked, and now, okay, now we're unlocked. Messaging, okay, look at, that is wild. So there's actually like a little menu in here. Messaging, empty list, let's see. Messaging, write a message, okay. Okay, so there we go. So it can write a message, so let's see. I'll do hey. And I want to send it, one. Oh, now it's asking for the number. Okay, I got you. Hey, send, let's see. It's tricky to know like what you're doing. And I sent it. So it sent a message, and you can have you have an inbox, you have an outbox, draft, sent, template. This is wild. So yeah, I'll leave a link for this down below if you guys are interested. This is super niche and might be a cool gift. It's about 30 bucks on Amazon. I texted my wife and she just texted me back, so it does work. I just sent her a message, that one that said hey, and she wrote back. So yeah, pretty cool. The charging port, real quick, I can show you because I had to do it for a second to get it to come back on a minute ago. And if I can get this one out. So when you open the flip lid, it's actually right here on the top. So that's how you plug it in, like this. You can wear this on a lanyard. I could see this being like a little spy phone, or like something that you keep if you were going somewhere, and not necessarily like dangerous, but let's say you just wanted something in case of an emergency and you had this on like a lanyard or a keychain, and you put your SIM card in, and that was literally all you wanted it for, was to make a call if you had to. But yeah, this is pretty unique. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like to see videos like this, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, so I know to do more weird content like this. But as for now, I think that about does it for me, so I'll talk to you guys next time. Later.